Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you how to sublimate the Made in USA 11-ounce mug.
Right after this. And we're back. So today we are going to be pressing our 11-ounce Made in the USA mug. We are going to be using our Sawgrass SG500 printer and using the Sawgrass Print Manager on standard sublimation paper. So we're going to print our design. We have ganged up our images onto one sheet, or you can use a mug-size paper as well. Okay, so here we go. Here is our print. And you can also use mug-size paper as well instead of just ganging up your images on a larger sheet if you only have one single image to do. We have 3.5 inches by 9, or we have 4 inches by 9.5.
All right, we cut out our image, and we'll place it on here. And we're going to use our thermal tape to hold the image in place. Perfect. And then we're going to press it at 370 degrees for 250 seconds. Okay. And you'll want to remove this immediately. And there we go.
You have one personalized mug. And then do note on this mug, you do have a Made in USA stamped into the mug on the bottom. So this does differentiate from our standard 11-ounce white ceramic mug. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and do check out our product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com. Thank you.